Paul Davies.
Diolch, Llywyd. First Minister, the priorities of the people of Ceredigion Penfro were made very clear during the Senedd election campaign. They want to see their local hospital services, that is general emergency surgery and the stroke unit, stay put at Withybush and Bronglais hospitals respectively. And they want the Welsh Government to intervene and stop Hywel University Health Board from downgrading and centralising services further away from communities in West Wales. Now, your party made it clear that removing these services means longer journey times for people in urgent need and that it would put lives at risk. And given some of the comments we heard during the election campaign about standing up for small rural hospitals, it's vital that the Welsh Government now urgently intervenes to stop the Health Board from taking services away from these hospitals. Therefore, First Minister, given the commitments made during the election campaign, can you confirm that it's still your party's and therefore your government's intention to protect services at Withybush and Bronglais hospitals? And if so, when will your government be intervening to stop the removal of these services from these hospitals?
Thank you for the question and welcome back to the Senedd. The Cabinet Minister for Health will be very, very aware of the need to make sure that the balance is found always between that local delivery, as local as possible, which everybody wants, and the effective delivery overall of health. We are very aware of specific issues that relate to hospitals near us, those in our communities, and I'll be working very closely with the Cabinet Minister for Health to make sure that there's real recognition of the concerns within local communities. It's the same in mine, it's the same in the community probably served by everybody sitting here in the Senedd. What we need to do always is to make sure that those local services are protected and that we're also building a sustainable health service for the future. My Cabinet Minister for Health and Care will take that issue forward.